Welcome to the Unquendor Guitars workshop for another update and part 4 in the video series where I'm working on my router table. I haven't been in the workshop much this week. I've been mostly working on my previous video. If you haven't seen it, click here. Yeah, so let's take a look at what I did to my router table this week. So today my parts arrived, and I thought let's do a quick unboxing. I've got my T-tracks, accompanying bolts, and I've got a new router bit. So come a little closer and I'll show you what's in the box. Right, invoice. The entire box just for one router bit. Alright. So I always use router bits from the CMT brand. Great bits, and this is a 19mm wide router bit, and it should be perfect to route the channels needed for my T-track. Yeah, looks great. I really love these bits from CMT. Made in Italy. Yeah. Check them out on cmtorangetools.com. I'm not sponsored by CMT in any means. I like these router bits. If you take care of them, they stay sharp a good while. Yeah. And this should be perfect to route the channels for the T-tracks. Let's get to it. The last thing I want to do to this router table is put on another coat of polyurethane finish to the top to make it as smooth as possible. Yeah, and we'll see the end result of that in the coming video, which I hope is the last video in this video series on making my router table. I hope to see you there, and as always, leave a like. I would really appreciate it if you did. It helps me to reach a broader audience. Yeah, and if you have any questions, any comments, please let me know in the comment section down below. I hope to see you in next week's update, and until then, have a nice week.